Ayan, welcome back po sa aking YouTube channel. Andito ako sa kwarto ng anak ko. Ayan, kumikimat-kimat yung ilaw. Buksan natin ng ilaw kasi malabo siya. So, ito na, binuksan natin yung ilaw kasi kanina madilim kapag hindi nakabukas ang ilaw. Meron pala ako ditong pinamili. Ayan. Bumili kami ng balloon. Ayan, white color balloon. Ito, mixed color. Ayan, binili namin sa KM. Ito pa, mixed balloon. Ayan lang pala nabili namin. Tapos, candle. Ayan. Ang kwento po nito ay magbe-birthday ang anak ko. So, tinanong ko kung anong gusto niya. Sabi niya, bumili lang daw kami ng balon at magde-decorate dito sa kwarto niya ng balon. At hindi siya humihingi ng kung anong-anong handa man. Kung ano lang yung lutuin ko, kung ano yung kakainin namin sa araw na yun, yun na yun. Hindi kami maghahanda. Pero sabi niya, mag-decorate daw ako sa kwarto niya dito. Ayan. Kaya bumili ako ng konting balon. Ayan lang, ang napakasimpleng kahilingan ng aking anak. Ayan.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Mag-decorate daw ako
Now that I've been put through hell,
sa birthday
I
niya.
never got anyone's
Hindi
help.
siya nag-request ng kung ano-ano ihahanda. Basta maglagay lang daw ako ng
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
ito lang naman ang ginawa
If you
kong
wanna play
pinagbabalaan.
tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Ito lang yung aking ginawa. Maging masaya lang yung anak ko sa birthday niya. Ang munting kahilingan, napakasimple. Dalaga na rin yung anak ko. Ayan, kung makikita nyo po dito, ito yung picture ng anak ko nung baby pa siya. Ayan. Ito, drawing niya yan. Ayan. Ayan, mga drawing niya po yan. Pinagtatakpan yung frame ng drawing niya. Yan, mga drawing niya po yan. Yan, drawing niya yan. Yan ang hilig niyang i-drawing, mga cartoon or mga animation character. Ayan ang mga drawing niya. Ayan yung i-close up ko. Ayan. Ayan ang ginagawa niya dito sa bahay. Ito, may nagbigay sa kanya ng outfit na itong pants. Tapos blouse, sabi nung nagbigay sa kanya, ano mo to, i-drawing mo to na suot daw ng i-drawing niya. So, ito yung ginawa ng anak ko. So, ayan lang. Pinakita ko lang po sa share ko lang kung ano yung hobby niya. Ayan, so andito ngayon tayo sa kusina. Magbibisi-bisihan. Titingnan ko kung anong pwede kong gawin, kung anong pwede kong lutuin kasi hindi nga kami bumili ng panghanda sa birthday ng anak ko. So, kung ano na lang ang pwede kong maluto para sa kanya. So, gumawa ako ng dough. Bahala na kung anong pwede kong gawin nito. Kung pizza o tinapay. Ayan. Tapos, meron pa ako ditong harina. Titingnan ko rin kung gawa ako ng cake kahit paano. Ayan. Tingnan na lang po natin mamaya. Ayan. Bye-bye po for now. Ayan, magluluto rin ako ng konting spaghetti. So, ayan, siya ang nag-decorate ng kanyang birthday cake. Pinagbigyan ng hilig ng bata. Ayan, gawa niya yan. Ako yung nag-bake ng cake. Siya ang decorate o ano bang tawag dun. Siya naglagay ng style. So, ito na po yung aking niluto. Nagluto ako ng spaghetti with white sauce. Ayan, nilagyan ko ng green peas. Nag-fried chicken ako. Ito cookies, binili ng daddy niya. Nagluto rin ako ng pizza. Ayan. May ice cream. May maliit na pizza. Ito yung cake na nag-bake ako ng cake tapos yung anak ko ang nag-design. Ayan, siya na ang naglagawa niyan. Kanyang birthday cake. Ito ang birthday cake niya. Ganyan lang siya kung magbe-birthday. Kung ano lang yung hinahayaan ko siyang gawin niya. Diba, magbe-bake ako ng cake tapos gusto niyang lagyan ng design or decoration yung yung cake niya. Hinahayaan ko siyang gumawa. Ayan. So, ayan na po ang simpleng handa ng anak ko. Lutong bahay lang siya. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I love you, Mommy.
Love you too.
See you next time po. Huwag pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe po kay host at click na rin po yung bell button dyan para notified po kayo sa mga susunod kong video. Ayan po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta. At sa mga super chatter ko po, maraming salamat. Thank you so much po sa pag-share ng iyong mga blessings. Salamat. Bye-bye. Halina po kayo, kain tayo ng aming simpleng handa sa birthday ng anak ko. Ayan.